This is Artems.ai. What matters in tech and beyond? The race for AI supremacy has shifted. It is no longer about who has the smartest model, but who can actually make that model work inside a legacy corporation. We are seeing a massive pivot in how the AI giants operate. Microsoft and AWS are spending billions not on better models but on forward deployed engineering. Microsoft just launched the Frontier company with a $2.5 billion investment edge. AWS followed with a $1 billion commitment. They are embedding engineers directly into customer environments to build production systems on proprietary data. It is a recognition that impressive demos are not the same as real-world utility. The limiting factor is no longer the model quality. It is the engineering resources needed for deployment. This transforms the model into a simple configuration. The durable relationship is now the embedded engineer. But while the giants fight over delivery, there is a strange technical regression happening under the hood. Recent reports from the PyTracker show that the newest Claude models like Opus 4.8 and Sonnet 5 are actually worse at following specific tool schemas. These state-of-the-art models are inventing made-up keys and adding nonsense fields to tool calls. The theory is that they have been overtrained on Claude code, because the Claude code harnessed is very forgiving. They are becoming so adapted to one specific forgiving ecology that they are now off distribution for other developers. The better the model gets at the task, the worse it gets at faithfully emitting an alternative schema. This friction in the software layer mirrors a different kind of friction in fintech. Right now, there is a race for yield-bearing stablecoins, with the market expected to triple to over $50 billion, but the industry is impicing for the wrong metric. Yield is easy to copy and easy to compete away. The real mode is collateral acceptance. It is the difference between a token that just sits in a wallet and one that can be posted as margin on an exchange. If the risk teams at major venues do not update their frameworks, we will end up with tens of billions of dollars in stranded collateral. The regulatory stamp from the GENIUS Act is an entry ticket, but the real victory is the unglamorous work of standardizing how these dollars are priced and redeemed. When the focus shifts from technical utility to sheer leverage, we see it play out in global geopolitics too. President Trump has essentially refashioned NATO from a democratic alliance. The goal is now to turn the alliance into a cash machine. European nations are responding by announcing billions of dollars in orders for US arms to keep the relationship stable. This transactional approach to security is echoed in the AI space. We saw the US government order Anthropic to pull FLO5 offline for 18 days after a jailbreak exposed Cyrax capabilities. Whether it is defense spending or model access, the trend is the same. Raw capability is being traded for political and financial leverage. Today, we saw a recurring theme of infrastructure over capability, from the embedded engineers at Microsoft to the collateral frameworks of stablecoins and the transactional nature of the new NATO. The raw power is now a commodity. The winner is whoever owns the delivery mechanism. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.